Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung S25 FE, and today I'll show you how you can import your contacts from the SIM card to the device. So, to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, we're gonna select the three dots right here and navigate into the settings. Here, select import contacts. We don't need to allow notifications. It's not really relevant to anything, or apparently it is. Apparently we need notifications for contacts to be displayed. Wow, thanks Samsung. Creepy much? So I guess we're gonna do this because contacts need to send us notification. Great. Anyway, next we're gonna select where we want to import contacts from. So for me, that's going to be the SIM card. This will inherently show us the contacts that are on that SIM card. For me, it's only 3 contacts. You can quickly select all of them by checking the box right or circle right there. Additionally, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want. From there, click on Done, and then choose where you want to import contacts to. Now here we have 3 options. Idiotically, we have a SIM card option as an import. That must be some big brain here from Samsung. So we can import from SIM 1 to SIM 1. Okay. But disregarding this idiocy right here, the 2 normal options that you would actually see is the phone and most likely your Google account / Samsung account if you have one signed in. I don't, so it's not showing up right here, but that would be one of the available options as well. So choose where you want to import your contacts to, and then you can just click on import. Okay, and that's it, we're done. So now when you go back, you should have your contacts visible in the list right here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.